Hi, I'm Alicia Uribe, and I will be doing the language video for week one lab video. I will begin to name the parts, so I will go ahead and show you. Hold on one second. Okay, so looking at the skeleton, we will begin with the axillary area, which is the chest. We will, this is the buccal, which are the cheekbones. We have the oral, which is the mouth. We have the chin, which is the mental. If we come down a little bit, on this part of the arm is the brachial. You have the antebrachial, which is this bottom part. Then you have on the thumb, which is down here, the thumb area. This would be the pollex. You come down to the bottom. This is the kneecap, which is the patellar. Then you have the very bottom on the big toe, you would have, hold on, I'm trying to get it here. On this big toe, this would be the hallux. Then looking at, starting from the bottom again, right here at the shin area, I'm sorry, the heel will be the calcaneal. Then you come in back of the leg on the bottom would be the sural, which is the calf. Then you have the crural, which is the front, is the shin part of the area. You come up with the thigh area, which would be the femoral. Then you come up to the umbilical, which is the abdomen area. Then on the back of the knee, right here, the back of the knee would be the popliteal. Then you have your elbow, which is right here, and that's the olecranon. The top of the shoulder would be the acromial, and the back of the head would be the occipital. Okay, so now I will be demonstrating the directional terms using the skeleton again. So to start off, the head is superior to the sternum. This is the sternum. The head is superior on top of the sternum. Then you have the olecranon is distal to the acromion. So the olecranon is the elbow. It's distal to the acromion, which is right here. You have the aximal. Axilla is proximal to the brachium. So the axilla is right here, and it's at the same as the brachial area. So the axilla area, brachial, so it's right across. Then you have the nose is medial to the eyes. So the nose is right in the middle between the two eyes. I'm sorry, the nose is middle between the two eyes. Then you have the elbow is proximal to the carpus. The elbow is proximal to the carpus, which are right here. So proximal. Then you have the sternum is anterior to the vertebral column. So this is the vertebral column right here. This is the sternum. So the sternum is in front of the vertebral column. The umbilicus is inferior to the sternum. The umbilicus is right in the middle. It's inferior to the sternum, so it's right below. Sternum is here, the umbilicus is down here. Then you have the patella is proximal to the tarsus. The patella is a kneecap and it's proximal to the tarsus. So it's literally one in here. Then you have the ears are lateral to the nose. So the ears would be on these two sides. So it's basically right across in a straight line from the nose. Okay, so now I will start to show you the abdominal pelvic regions. So I will take the camera down. So right here, you have the right hypochondriac region, which consists of the right lobe, liver, and gallbladder. Then you have the epigastric region, which has the stomach and the liver. You have the left hypochondriac region, which consists of part of the stomach and spleen. Then you come down to the middle part. You have the left lumbar region. This consists of the descending colon and small intestines. You have the umbilical region, which has transverse colon and the small intestines. Right here you have the right lumbar region, which contains part of the small intestines, ascending colon of the large intestines. You come down to the bottom, you have the left iliac, which is the inguinal area. Inguinal region consists of the cecum and the appendix. You have the hypogastric, which is the pubic region, consists of the urinary bladder and part of the sigmoid colon. And last but not least, you have the left iliac inguinal region, which consists of initial part of the sigmoid colon and part of the small intestines. And that is the end of my video. I hope I did okay for the first video. Okay, thank you.